Welcome to Dialogue 48.
You should have told me that you were calling a taxi. I have a company account with Uber and I get special rates. You shouldn't have told your mum that I was having a scan, she is such a worrier.
Should I have lied to her? She could have found out afterward. She could have taken it badly. She might have thought that we were shutting her out. I could have offended her and she can be rather oversensitive.
I could see that the first time I met her. Was she ever in amateur dramatics?
Don't start, darling. Those who live in greenhouses shouldn't throw stones.
Okay, it's a fair cop. I should have avoided any confrontation. My record in winning domestic arguments compares only with that of English World Cup triumphs in the last 50 years.
I spoke to our friends Martin and Glennis. They might have found a new house at last.
Where's the taxi? It should have arrived by now. I ought to phone them.
Wait, I think they must have had a problem with traffic. A car sounds its horn outside. That must be the taxi. We should get a new van. Have you got everything?